Hey girlies, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, we are doing an everyday makeup look that is just perfect for on-the-go looks, but you want to still look put together. So I first started off with my skin prep, and I added a little sunscreen onto my skin. I love to moisturize my lips using this Edam lip balm in the shade Burnt Malai. Next, I'm using this Huda Beauty blurring primer that I feel like looks really good around the T-zone because that's where my pores show the most. I'm then going in with this Saie Sunmelt bronzer. Y'all, this bronzer is my favorite bronzer. This is probably one of my favorite products of 2025, not even gonna lie. I feel like it looks so natural. It glides onto my skin. I literally could just wear this bronzer and leave the house. It's so good. Now I'm going in with this Kosas concealer. I am new to using Kosas, but I really like this concealer because I feel like it's really creamy and it also glides onto the skin once you start blending it out. As you can see, I'm blending it out with this Real Techniques brush. I love these brushes because one, they're affordable, and two, they're just really good quality. This Kosas concealer is just blending out so well. You can see how it is just soaking into my skin, and I'm able to just blend it out really easily. I would love to get this Kosas concealer in a shade or two darker just to wear by itself because it is just too good. I love to blend out my makeup with my brushes, and then I also like to go over the makeup with a sponge just to soak up any excess makeup. This sponge is also by Real Techniques. I got this off of Amazon, and I will also have all these brushes and products linked below. I put a dab of Hourglass concealer onto my eyes as well, just to give it a little more coverage. This is completely optional. Usually I just go in with the Kosas, but I wanted to do some content, so I added a little dab of Hourglass, and I put it in the same places that I concealed with before. Next, I'm going in with the Holy Grail, this Sephora powder foundation. I love to put it in the areas that I concealed, so I put it under my under eyes. I put it a little down in my T-zone, and I put it in my forehead as well. This is going to give you that filtered look. I also put it on top of my eyelids as well because I put concealer there, so I just want to set the concealer with the powder foundation. I also been using this setting powder by Saie. I adore this stuff. This is also really good for a nice everyday natural look to set under your makeup as well. This NYX bronzer was my holy grail in the summertime, and I'm bringing it into the fall because this looks so good on my skin. It just melts into my skin. It's a nice powdered bronzer, and I love to put this around my forehead, a little around my cheeks, and above my eyelids. I also like to put it under my eyes too, just to give me like that nice natural look. Now we're working on the brows. I like to go in with this NYX eyebrow gel just to kind of give me a little bit of that lamination look. I'm not going to lie, the eyebrows are not done, so they didn't come out as I wanted them to, but with this Refi eyebrow pencil, it gives me the most natural look without adding too much product. You see, I can add a little bit of product and just blend it out, and it looks really good. I took a little bit of that bronzer and just blended it into the beginning of my eyebrows just to melt everything in. Then I added a little bit of blush by Tower 28 in the Tony Bravo collab. This is one of my favorite blushes because I just love an orange look. It kind of melts in with the bronzer that I have. And now I'm taking this Huda Beauty lip liner and I'm lining my lips and adding a little more Edam onto my lips for that nice natural glossy look. We're adding in some mascara from Refi, which is another new fave. I think it makes my lashes look so natural. Now I'm just taking my hair out because we don't want to wear a bun. We kind of want to look put together while we go out and run some errands. I've been using the Sacred Hair Oil, and you guys, I love this stuff. I usually just add it right onto the ends of my hair. I have noticed by adding this into my hair, I do not need trims as much. I set everything with the Rhode glazing mist and a little more of this Huda Beauty powder, and I just love this natural look. If you enjoyed this look, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.